Hello everyone, my name is Widad and welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of the same old boring chicken recipes? Do you want to add some flavor to your meals without spending hours in the kitchen? Well, look no further than grilling a chicken butterfly in the oven. This delicious and juicy dish is easy to make and can be prepared in the oven without a grill. So in this video, I will give you a step-by-step guide on how to cut the chicken butterfly and grill it in the oven. For this recipe, we'll need one medium-sized chicken. I'm using 2 since I have a big family. 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. If you can't handle spicy food, use paprika instead. 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of oregano, half a tablespoon of ginger powder, half tablespoon of onion powder, half tablespoon of garlic powder, and then 1 to 2 tablespoons of black pepper and 1 to 2 tablespoons of salt. 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 4 tablespoons of vinegar, white vinegar, 1 cup of olive oil, 3 tablespoons plain yogurt. I'm using homemade plain yogurt. I will share the recipe on how to make it. Half a lemon. Of course, you can use some of these spices or you can use different combinations. First, wash the chicken thoroughly with water and white vinegar. Next, pat it dry with a paper towel. Lay the chicken breast side down on a cutting board using kitchen knife. Cut along one side of the backbone from neck to tail. Repeat on the other side and remove the backbone. Now flip the chicken over and press down firmly to flatten it. And voila, a butterfly chicken ready for deliciousness. The plain yogurt, the tomato paste, the spices, add the white vinegar, the olive oil, squeeze half of the lemon. And then mix it well. slight incisions in the chicken thighs and breast to allow the seasoning to penetrate the meat thoroughly. Cover the whole chicken in that mixture that we made and make sure that it has covered every part of the chicken. Let it sit for an hour or so. After 1 hour, preheat your oven to 400 degrees and place your chicken on a greased baking sheet lined with foil. Cooking time will take about an hour. After 1 hour, remove the foil, and if there are any liquids, empty them in a cup. We can use that in making rice. Some butter to the top of your chicken. If you like barbecue, you can add barbecue sauce. in the oven. Make sure the broil is on for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's golden. And there you have it, folks, our sensational oven grilled chicken recipe. Juicy, flavorful, and incredibly easy to make. To take your oven grilled chicken to the next level, pair it with delightful side dishes. You can serve it with rice. I'll link the video of making it using the juice we removed from the oven chicken. You can also serve it with a salad or some grilled vegetables. It's up to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked and enjoyed this video, and don't miss out on more amazing recipes coming up your way. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, happy cooking!